For me, I wasn't drawn to art until I started screen printing it on shirts. I started realizing how hard screen printing is and how hard recreating people's art actually was. Once I took a deep dive and became addicted to translating art from a computer to a shirt, I gained a passion for art, great art, and recreating that. Since then, I've been drawn to art and working with some of the best artists in the world. My name is Danny Gruninger, founder and CTO of Denver Print House. So with these water-based inks, you have to be really careful and precise that you get your volume by weight accurate. So we've actually got a really good scale here. So I've got to hit 22.8. So usually we want to be within half a point of that. So 22.81 is good. Now we're gonna go on to our next pigment, which is magenta. These pigments like to dry, so you want to agitate them. And now this is our last pigment, our red-blue shade. We're gonna get 5.88 grams of this. So here at Denver Print House, we've spent a lot of time dialing in our pre-press to where the jig that we put on the press to line up the screens, it matches our direct-to-screen identical. The only way a screen print shop can make money is if their press is printing. And coming from the CNC industry, those guys are all about shaving seconds off run times. And I've always had a saying that seconds end up being minutes, minutes end up being hours, hours end up being days, and days end up being dollars. So now we're gonna go through. What I'm doing now is I'm dropping our screen down into our registration palette and I'm locking it in. ROQ's got a really cool feature called the go-to. I can bring that palette all the way from printhead 1 over to printhead 4. So in the CNC shop, they do a lot of lean manufacturing. So they're measuring how far the operators are walking to the press, or in their case, the CNC machine. And we've kind of taken a lot of those concepts and done the same here. Really the best way is just to separate some art on your computer, burn some screens, make some inks, get out on the press, lock your shop doors, try to leave all the distractions behind you, and just start playing around. You'll be amazed of all the different techniques and little shortcuts and cheats that you'll find when you just get on the press and start playing around with things. Technology's definitely changed over the years. We have better screens, mesh, inks. Pretty much everything that we're using now is really improved, so it's made printing a lot easier. And it's kind of bridging the gap between standard printing and digital. And then what's really cool now is just combining the two. So now we've got hybrid, which is combining a screen printed underbase with digital top colors. And doing that, you get really good adhesion to the garment, really good adhesion to the fabric. And then you have the ability to take a computer file, upload it into the machine, hit print, and you're pretty much printing. When I came into the screen print industry, I was really into separating artwork. So I would see a piece of artwork on the computer and I would look at it. How many colors are in it? What do I need to do to blend to make all those different various colors? And now, instead of separating those colors, what we're doing is we're dealing with it all on the computer, trying to perfect color profiles. So one of the things that I've learned over the years that have really kind of got me to the level that I'm at now is just by honestly breaking the rules. When somebody told me I couldn't do something, that really gave me the motivation to try to get out there and prove them wrong. So for all the aspiring artists and printers and people in the industry trying to get to the next level, just get out there and do it. Don't let people tell you you can't.